I'll review and demonstrate how to use White Lightning's The Trigger Bicycle Chain Cleaner. I bought the degreaser and chain cleaner at my local bike shop. I needed the cleaner for a sticky shifter, and they didn't have an individual can of the cleaner, so I bought the set. It's a 14-ounce can, and it comes with an extra straw. I can already rave about the job the chain degreaser did on my shifter. This 18-year-old shifter with about 30,000 miles on it is again shifting crisply. This is for outdoor use. It's extremely flammable and the vapor is harmful. The degreaser gets great reviews on Amazon. It costs about $10 to $12 for a 14-ounce can. One of the reviews says that you could clean 10 to 12 chains. The packaging says that one can will clean 30 chains. 2 screws hold the chain cleaner onto the can. The Amazon reviewers of the trigger and the cleaner combo mostly loved it. There were a few that really hated it. I checked out the reviewers' profiles and all the reviews looked like they were legitimate. When the trigger is pulled, the casing closes. It clamps over the chain. Both brushes spin. When backpedaling on a chain, it goes through in this direction. It exits through this piece. There's a plastic piece. You can see that. Don't push the end of the straw beyond that piece. That piece prevents the chain from hitting the straw. The one-star reviews complained that the straw was not flexible, that it didn't fit into the nozzle, or the nozzle popped off the can. There seems to be 2 schools of thought on how to use this. You can clamp down on the chain, spray until the fluid is in this reservoir, then backpedal and run the chain through the cleaner until the fluid dries up. The other is to clamp down on the chain, depress the top of the can while backpedaling the chain 2 to 3 revolutions through the cleaner. I had to get a feel for the proper tension to clamp down upon the chain. I'll show some before and after cleaning pictures shortly. I had no problems with the straw or the top popping off. Those reviews were from 3 or 4 years ago, so I'll presume that the manufacturer has corrected those problems. One of the other complaints was that people didn't seem to be coordinated enough to hold the can, pull the trigger, push the button, and turn the pedals at the same time. So if you can't pat your head and rub your stomach at the same time, maybe this isn't the chain cleaner for you. White Lightning says you don't have to wipe the chain down afterwards. However, I thought wiping it down left a better end result. That concludes the review and demonstration of the trigger. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos. And thanks for watching.